What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. We're at it Sick Week 2023. I got the all-wheel drive RSX behind me here. So I brought the car out to show a couple people and met up with Kyle and the Boosted Boys. Everybody knows him in the Honda world for the K-Series. So we're gonna take Kyle from Boosted Boys for a spin in the RSX. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
What's going on, dude?
Ready to do this thing?
Out here at Sick Week.
Yeah.
I had a little FOMO because I couldn't make Sick Week. I saw you guys having all the fun with the Honda, so I had to bring it out on the last day here, and you know, it worked out that we could go for a ride.
Yeah, this would have been so cool to see in Sick Week. I bet it would have done pretty good.
Yeah, man. We'll find out next year.
This thing came out really good. You guys did.
Thanks, man.
You got AC too?
Oh, AC, power steering.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah, man.
I gotta see if I can do that on the wagon. That would be so nice.
Hell yeah, dude. 8 injector setup. It's a 2.2 liter, 6875.
Did such a good job on this thing. I was just telling Javier I love the aluminum work right here. That came out.
Yeah, our boy Ralphie, 2J Truck, did that for us after we were having issues not getting clean air into it. So now we're able to utilize the headlight duct here. Go straight into the turbo.
Got the billet Gato intake, 8 injectors. Thing spicy. What'd it go? 850s?
It went 851 at 163.
That's spicy. What was the 60 foot?
So that 60 foot was like a 144, I think.
That's pretty good.
There's still some room left in it.
Yeah,
but yeah, I mean, it's obviously we're not on the slicks today. Today we're on the street tires. That was on the slicks, but I went out and tested it last night. It overboosted. It hit like 45 pounds of boost.
Oh,
so.
shoot. I boost. I think it works, bro.
So we're, I think boost got set at like 50 pounds, so.
Okay.
We're in for a ride.
Cool.
So what do you say? I'll take you for a spin, and I thought it'd be cool if you drive the car.
Dude, I am down.
Hell yeah.
I am so ready.
It's got to get that Boosted Boy stamp of approval.
This is right up our alley. Freaking fully built K-Series, all-wheel drive, sequential trans. This thing came out really good. You guys did an awesome job.
Thanks, man.
It's so clean.
Appreciate it, bro. All right, guys. Here with my boy Brent. What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Awesome, man.
Dude,
I'm stoked to be able to come and show you the car. So
Drooling.
I hit up Kyle and I was like, man, we gotta go for a ride. And Brent was here and I'm like, dude, we gotta go for a spin.
Yeah.
I mean, these are like the Honda guys on YouTube. You know, like you guys are it. You guys motivated me a ton. Seeing everything you guys do, and this is honestly our first Honda build. We've done 4G63, 2Js, the RB, and I'm in love with the Honda stuff, man. Yeah, I know why you guys got the bug.
Yeah. So simple, so fun, so fast.
Man.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, dude. Let me show you under the hood here. Yeah, man. So it's
Talk about packaging.
it's a lot packaged into a small area, but yeah, I mean it's still like a lot crammed in there. So it's full radiator, AC, power steering, all that good stuff.
I love it. It is beautiful.
Thanks, dude. Thanks.
We have to go for a ride.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
If you want to go for a couple little rips.
Let's do it.
All right, dude.
Let's rip.
All right, so we're gonna go find Kyle. He's somewhere back here. He was racing the Wago, so we're gonna go check up on him. We're gonna take the boys for some rips.
I'm excited.
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
So you run the same sequential on both the NSX and the MR2, right?
Yep, and in the van.
Oh, and in the van. Hell yeah, dude. Dude, I can't wait to see that thing come out. I gotta come for a ride in that thing, dude.
Yeah. It's a fun one for sure.
Every time I see that, I'm just like, that looks like a party. Do a little second gear brake boost.
They got a little sticky.
So, strain gauge, floor it, and pull the lever. First time riding passenger in this thing.
I'm feeling good. You ready?
Yeah. Dude, this thing rips.
Dude.
So I think you shifted it at like 8,900?
Yeah, I think I shifted too short. Let me try one more.
Yeah.
Actually let it ride out a little bit.
I go, yeah, second gear.
Ready?
Yep. This might have a leg up on the hit, you know?
I think
you
that,
did what, 170 in that thing?
It's been 173 in the
Yeah,
hole.
I mean, dude, that's killer mile an hour.
I think that might need to happen one day. A little trip to Mexico, NSX versus RSX.
Absolutely down, bro. You know me. I'm always down for fun, dude.
Dude, that would be the race of the year. This thing gets it.
Oh, man. I mean, the NSX works really well. Like,
I feel
all
like
the weight in the back and everything.
I think it'd be like side by side.
Yeah.
It'd be like... That was sick.
Oh, man.
Thank you.
Hell yeah, bro.
That was badass.
Thank you. I'm glad we can make it happen, man.
Dude, we got to the speed limit so fast.
Ready to do this thing?
Let's do it. I'm excited.
Your excitement's getting me excited. I love the energy, bro.
This is cool. I love how smooth it is. It's just
yeah, the way that the K-Series heads flow so good. Like I didn't even feel a difference in school with like the new turbo or anything. From the 64 to the 6875, it was like I didn't even notice.
yeah.
It's so awesome. I bet I could put a 72 on it. It just eats it up.
They love a big exhaust wheel. You can just go.
Yep.
They want to breathe.
Yep.
That's what I found.
Alright, ready, man?
Yep.
I'm getting the overboost screaming at me.
Thank God.
That means it's hitting over 45 pounds of boost, bro.
You were out of the car too long. I was hitting up barrel, bro.
Dude,
that was good.
I don't care how many times I floor it, it's just ear to ear smile. I don't know.
Yeah, man, it was good. I'm jazzed up.
Hell yeah.
That was it. I've been dying to ride in this car.
Hell yeah, bro.
God,
I've been dying to show you. Dude, I've been dying to show you guys, dude.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we made this happen, man.
We had to.
I'm so glad we made it happen.
I'm so glad we lost the oil cap and it got dark because it would not have been the same experience without them giant flame balls.
Oh, bro, you gotta.
Oh, those were good.
I think you singed your eye
I'm okay
there,
with that. I need to trim my eyebrows anyway, so it's worked out. Save myself some time. That was good.
Hell yeah.
I'm jazzed. That was good.
How's that flyby? Spicy?
Spicy. Oh, that was awesome. Yeah, dude! We can do that all day. That was terrific.
Oh, that first gear is just magic, bro.
When you get the G's going, man, the blood starts to flow. The flames start to pop. The smiles come on.
The tires are sticky.
Yeah, dude.
The tires are sticky, bro.
They were hard at work.
I mean, we just made like 5 or 6 hits back to back, and
Just like a normal car.
190 temps, so pretty fucking rad, man.
Wonderful.
Pretty rad.
Pretty rad. Dude, I'm stoked for you, man.
Thanks, dude.
This is so good.
Thanks, man.
The entire team that put it together kicked ass. Big up on all of them. They did great.
A lot of people were here, right? A lot of people came together to make this car happen.
Yeah.
A lot of really cool, dedicated people.
And it's still a pretty simple setup, you know? It's not crazy.
Right?
God, that was fun. That was so great.
This is what it's about, right?
Oh, man. Wonderful.
Two dudes hitting some boosts, smiling in a car and cheering, right?
Yep.
Nothing better than that.
Nothing.
I appreciate you coming out for a ride, man.
Yeah, this was...
I know you've had a crazy 5 days, so taking the time out to come enjoy the car with me.
Oh,
I
yeah.
really appreciate it, dude.
You know I'm a big fan of the car, so I'm a huge fan of this build. And to get one in it is just like